My name is Engineer Holiday. We're on to the continuation of calculation of electrostatics, and we are taking question 2. A student perform an electrostatic experiment with charge Q1 equal to -2 microcoulombs and Q2 equal to 4.5 microcoulomb. If he ensured a distance of separation 6 meters between the charges, so calculate the magnitude of the electrostatic force between the charges, that means Q1 and Q2. Now, what we are going to do to solve, the options are given, but I don't advise you to just go into the option like that and begin to solve. First of all, we will take our parameter. This one has to do with electrostatic force that we want to calculate, because they say calculate the magnitude of the electrostatic force between the charges. Now, if we want to solve that, first of all, what is the formula for electrostatic force? Well, let's take the data first. Our data now is what? Let's take Q1 as Q1 equals to minus 2 microcoulomb, which is the same thing as what? Minus 2 times 10 raised to the power of minus 6 coulomb. Why Q2? Q2 is equal to, well, what is our Q2 now? Is 4.5 microcoulomb, which is equivalent to or equal to what? 4.5 times 10 raised to the power of minus 6 coulomb. And then what is the distance apart? They said if they ensure a distance of separation of 6 meters, that means between the distance of separation between charge Q1 and charge Q2 is what? The distance of separation is 6 meters. Now, how do we solve our electrostatic force? The magnitude. To solve the magnitude, we use F equals to K Q1 absolute Q2 all over R squared. Now, anytime you are working with two opposite charges, don't forget it is what? Attraction that will occur. But anytime you are working with two like charges, whether positive and negative is what? They will repel. That means go in opposite direction. So that means this one is negative, which is what? Minus 2 microcoulombs, and this one is positive, plus 4.5 microcoulombs. So this one now, they will what? Attract, and they will attract along the what? The line of action, and they will obey Newton's third law of motion, meaning that the force of what? Q1 on Q2 is equal to the force of Q2 on Q1. So in that case, we are going to say they obey Newton's third law of motion, and the force is defined as K. K is equal to what? 1 over 4 pi permittivity. Now our K is 1 over 4 pi permittivity. Now what we need to know is that 1 over 4 pi permittivity is equal to 1 over 4 pi times 8.85 times 10 raised to the power minus 12. Now, if you do your calculation very well, you are going to have approximately 8.99, approximately 9 times what? 10 raised to the power of 9. 10 raised to the power of 9. That is our K. The K is equal to this. And what is the unit of K? The unit of K is Newton meter square per coulomb. Because if you make K the subject of formula here, this R square will go here to multiply force. Force is in Newton times meter square divided by coulomb. This is coulomb. Q1 and Q2 are in coulomb. So Q1 coulomb times coulomb equals coulomb square. So this one is square. Now let's go on. So what we're going to do, let's put in our parameter into that formula. We're going to have F equals to what we're going to have K. Our K is 9 times 10 raised to the power of 9. What about our Q1? Our Q1 is absolute. Don't forget, absolute of what? Of, because we are looking for it in magnitude. 10 raised by what? minus 6 absolute, or absolute again, of Q2 is what? 4.5 times 10 to the power minus 6 absolute minus 6. Then divide by what? By the distance apart. What is distance apart? The distance apart, distance of separation for the what? For the two charges is what? Look at it, 6 meter. If it's in centimeter, you have to convert to the standard unit. Don't ever use what? Unit that is not standard, fundamental unit, basic unit, or square. No need to put meter here, or square. Now, if you press your calculator where, if you do your calculation, you would have 2.25 times 10 to the power minus what? Minus 15, thereabout. So if you press your calculator, that's what you are going to have. You can do your calculator very well. No, let's say minus 3 Newton. You know why? Because minus 6 will give us minus 12. Minus 12 times 9 or plus 9, because you are going to take in this, take one bit. You are going to have minus 3. Then 2 times 4.5 is 9. 9 times 9 is 18. 18 divided by what? 36. This is 36. 18 divided by 36 will give us what? About 0. Let's say, okay, this is 30. This 9. 9 times 9 is what? Sorry, 81. 81 divided by 36. You are going to have about 2.25. You can press your calculator, you get the answer. So this is what you are going to have, because you can press your calculator so that you can confirm it. And we now go to our option. If you go to our option, we are going to have option A as the answer. Listen and listen good. If they ask you for the direction will now be all. What kind of force will exist here? Is what? Attraction. So if they ask you like that, this one is also talking about this. So we can have the same answer now, having what? Attraction. The same answer will have what? Repulsion. So you have to be careful. Why is attraction is negative, opposite sign? Till next time we shall see again, same time, same station. I remain your humble engineer Holiday, aka the shortcut master. Thank you very much. Make sure you press the notification button to always get our video. Thank you.